Alright everybody, we have a 2007 600 HO IQ Cleanfire EFI LX. As you can see, it is electric start. It starts and runs 4,372 miles. Has some front end damage. This lower left A-arm is bent. The front hood hinge is bent, broken. We're missing a hood screen right here. This idler wheel in the back here came with the sled, popped off, and the tunnel is bent here. So apparently when they crashed it, they landed in the rear end here. The rear bumper is pushed up a little bit, and then they landed on the front end as well and bent that A-arm. So there's potential for bent rails or something on this. Otherwise, it's a pretty nice looking sled. The white hood, electric start that works. Obviously it starts and runs. You can see how the spindle's tipped in from the A-arm being bent. Nice track with studs. I will put it up on the stand here and rev it up a little bit. A little bit of damage to the seat right here. Not sure what that's from. We've got a small crack in the hood here. Side panel's intact. Hood hinge is no longer existent. Lower A-arm's broken, bent, still there. Little scuff in the hood here. Couple scratches on this side, nothing horrible. A little more distressed seat action. And a bent tunnel. So we'll fire it up here and rev it up. Seems to run well. Track's a little loose, so the rails might be bent, or the rear axle slid forward. Hard to say yet. Anyway, if you need any parts from this sled, let me know. Contact me, recycledrecreationllc@gmail.com, or visit www.recycledrecreationllc.com. or visit us on eBay, Recycled Recreation LLC. Need anything else from any other sleds, feel free to like and subscribe to the video, and we will be making more videos of all the sleds and ATVs and motorcycles we part out. Thanks for watching.